I'll be back. I'm just gonna head down there and then I'm gonna come back and stuff like that. And then stay around afterward because like, do you have Instagram or anything like that? Because I'll give you my Instagram and then like that. I mean, I'm gonna be posting this anyways on my account. So. Alright. And then like that, you'll have the whole thing as well. Yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. I'll come by there in a little bit. Yeah.